Welcome to the cutting-edge world of modern agriculture. From ultra-efficient harvesters to powerful machines that can plow, plant, and fertilize entire fields in a single pass, today's technology is reshaping the way we farm. In this video, we dive deep into the future of agriculture, where innovation meets raw machine power for maximum productivity. We begin with the powerhouse Prander 14M, covering 300 hectares a day with unmatched strength and sleek design, perfect for high-tech farming. Next, meet the Zerion 3300 VC Octopus, a grass cutter with 4 flexible herder grenadier arms. It handles ditch banks like a precision robot, efficient, strong, and accurate. The 2-till Temperley with Hydro 84 is no ordinary apple harvester. Its flexible picking arm and 84 HP engine make harvesting fast and seamless. Pumpkin picking used to be tough, until DURP squash packers arrived. Now, pumpkins are harvested cleanly, quickly, and in bulk. Watch the mighty John Deere DB120, a corn planter with 48 rows and 120 feet of width. It's a true symbol of large-scale modern farming. The Artisan C14 works non-stop during harvest season. It's engine built for reliability and productivity. Check out the Chet-Chi and Maggie Triumph, laying drip tape with precision while opening furrows with smooth rotating discs, a true blend of tech and function. Then comes a flawless duo, the FAHRM 66TS and Fendt Farmer Turamatic Thresher. harvesting rice in perfect harmony, like a mechanical symphony in the fields. Next, 3 tractors, 300-400 HP, join forces with 2 Agrelon Muritz fertilizer trucks, efficiently covering large areas in a fertilization drive. At Bogama's farm, the ASA Lift T300 DF lifts, cleans, and loads rows of carrots in one smooth motion. Fast, precise, and powerful. The Hemplax T660i combine harvester, powered by 260 HP, harvests hemp stalks, leaves, and seeds, all in one go. That's next-level efficiency. Leading tech comes from Matador Roller Series by Goodler GmbH, improving seed placement, leveling fields, and cutting weeds. It's the future of sustainable farming. The drag hose system brings a 5000L buffer tank, a 800M hose, and a crane arm that reaches corners with ease. Every detail is designed for smooth, fast fieldwork. Then there's John Deere 7520 plowing with a 9-meter cap and plow, showing off American power and performance in every pass. Supporting construction efforts, the New Holland T9.700 Smart Tracks works alongside a Prairie plow for high-efficiency results across vast land. Finally, Fendt Vario 313 and Fella TS 4000 rotary rake handle silage duties with speed and precision, ensuring quality livestock feed.